Alexandraa here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
what's up, cousin? What's up?
Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy eyebrow tutorial, and it is perfect for beginners. These are the techniques that I used to use daily when I did my brows. I know the fluffy eyebrows are in, and I actually do those a lot more these days. However, there are some girls who just want to keep it simple, cute, and straight to the point, and just want their brows to look good without all the extra. So this is the perfect tutorial for you. If you want to see how I got these quick and easy brows for an everyday look, just keep on watching. Okay, so these are my brows in their natural state. I actually need them done, but y'all still gonna get this video though. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush. I'm gonna take the spoolie and brush my eyebrow hairs in an upward motion, then take the end of the spoolie and brush the tail end of my hairs in a downward motion. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back. To shape and fill my brows, I'm going to be taking this LA Colors brow pencil in black brown. I'm going to start by lining the bottom portion of my eyebrow. I'm going to just be following the natural shape of my brow. Then I'm going to go in and do the same to the top. For the top of my brow, I don't start at the very beginning, and I also use a lighter hand because I don't want them to be harsh looking. Once I establish the shape that I like, I then go in very lightly at the beginning of my brow, and then I begin to fill in my brows using light hair-like strokes, and I'm going to be filling them in the direction that the hair is going. Also, you want to make sure that the pencil that you are using is very sharp because it just makes the process easier. Unlike me, I was having a hard time, okay? And you just fill your brows in until you have your desired look. Trust me, you get what you give. Yeah. You gotta come to my side and see how we live. Yeah. And I use that first brow as a guideline for my second one, and I try to get that second one as close as possible to the first one. Now, there's an old saying that I used to hear when I first started doing my brows. Brows are sisters, not twins. I still believe that to this day. Now, they both won't look the exact same, but they'll come pretty close. They'll be in the same family. Any more press. I am convinced I'm the only one left that's still doing this shit, man. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, I'm way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, way up, I feel blessed. My grandma just died, I'm the man of the house. So every morning I'm up cause I can't let him down. Always down for the cause, never down for the count. I guess when your stars align, you do like the solar system and plan it out. I'm going to go back in with that spoolie and brush out the beginning of my brows because, again, I do not want them to look harsh. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions. Man, this wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Eddie. To clean up the bottom of my brow, I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to use this Morphe M410 flat concealer brush. This just helps clean up any mistakes you may have made, and it defines the shape more. I'm actually using this shade because I'm going to drag it down and place it over my entire lid because I'm going to be using my bronzer as a eyeshadow. I don't know what I would do without a crew. Look like we robbed the bank, but all we make is deposits. Your profit will profit, oh God. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I just blend that out with this Real Techniques fluffy brush. the brow, I'm going to conceal it using my Maybelline foundation in 360 Mocha and this detailed brush from Real Techniques. Okay, so using your foundation or a concealer that's closer to your skin tone gives your brow a more natural look. You don't want to use a light concealer above your brow to conceal, because then you'll be walking around with halo brows, basically where the concealer is so light that whenever you do the rest of your face, it literally looks like there's a halo around your brows, and then your makeup doesn't mesh well together.
Yeah. I cannot see heaven being much better than this. Yeah. Blessings on blessings for me and my niggas.
And then I just blend the top of my brow out with a beauty blender.
I'm doing a toast for niggas that don't really do shit.
I also wanted to say that all products used in this video are drugstore and affordable, and I'll also have them linked down in the description box.
I am convinced I'm the only one left that's still doing this shit, man. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, I'm way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, way up, I feel blessed. My grandma's just down, I'm the man of the house. So every morning I'm up, cause I can't let him down. Always down for the cause, never down for the count. I guess when your stars align, you do like the solar system and plan it out. Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Ed and Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit can get petty. Bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me. This ain't what I want, man. It's what it had to be. This is that late night work.
Sometimes I have to go back in with the pencil and redefine the shape of the brow because I may have taken the concealer too high. Sometimes I have to go back in with the spoolie. It all depends on how my brow is looking. I just play around with the products a little bit more until I get my desired look.
I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know.
Okay, so my brows are pretty much done. I'm just about to do the rest of my face.
I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed.
Okay, so here's my brows with my face fully done. The lighting is a bit off in this clip, but the brows still look good. Alright, that is it for today's video. I really hope that it was helpful. I hope that you guys found some use of this video. Let me know if you use any of these techniques in the future. Of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, I'm gonna need you to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time your big cousin uploads. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
And goodbye. Period. I mean it.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me. Feel us. West Coast, feel me. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me?